Muawiyah says to Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas, why don't you curse Ali ibn Abi Talib? I tell you, sometimes I don't know this history we have. Sometimes, honestly, I don't know what is the scales which you use to look at this history. Amir Muawiyah fought Amir Ali. MashaAllah. Amir Muawiyah fought Amir Ali. Said to him, why don't you curse Ali ibn Abi Talib, Sa'ad? Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas said, I will never curse Ali ibn Abi Talib because of three things. Number one, on the day of Mubahala, the Quran said Ali is the nafs of Rasulullah, is the self of Muhammad. Number two, when we went to the battle of Tabuk, Rasulullah said Ali is to me like Aaron was to Musa. Number three, on the day of Khaybar, every companion wanted that banner. And we were all thinking, who's Rasulullah going to give it to? And Rasulullah said, tomorrow I'll give the banner to a man who Allah and me love, and he loves me and Allah. When he enters a battlefield, he only returns with success. He said all of us were waiting to see which one of us was it, and he gave it to Ali.
لا إله إلا الله الله ربي محمد نبي علي إمامي لا فتى إلا علي علي إمامي علي إمامي علي إمامي
لا إله إلا الله الله ربي
محمد نبي علي إمامي
لا فتى إلا علي علي إمامي علي إمامي علي إمامي